Hello, Shoot learners. You are most welcome in the channel KV Exam Idea. Today we are discussing class 9th history chapter Nazism and the rise of Hitler. And this is the third video on this topic. And under this topic, we will discuss about the Nazi world view. I hope this video will be useful for you. Under the Nazi world view, we will discuss the following points: Nazism, the Nazi worldview, youth Nazi Germany, cult of motherhood, and crime against humanity. Hitler's Lebensraum. Lebensraum meaning living space, new territories required to accommodate the Aryan race, wanted material resources, powers for German nation, sought expansion of German boundaries by moving eastwards. Children, as you know, Hitler's Nazi worldview mainly depended on 2 points. And the first point was that the Aryan race was the finished. It had to retain in its purity, become stronger, and dominate the world. And the other aspects of Hitler's ideology related to the geopolitical concept of Lebensraum or living space. He believed that new territories had to be acquired for settlement. This would this would enhance the area of the mother country while enabling the settlers of new lands to retain an intimate link with the place of their origin. It would also enhance the material resources and power of the German nation. Hitler intended to extend German boundaries by moving eastwards to concentrate all Germans geographically in one place, and Poland became the laboratory for this experiment. Plight of Jews, terrorized and poverty struck by Nazis, segregated themselves from Jews in 1933 to 1938, completed to leave country, eventually killed in gas chambers. Poland. Poland was the neighboring country of the Germany, and Nazis annexed northwestern Poland. Polish were forced to leave their homes for ethnic Germans. They herded like cattle in the other part called general government. So let's understand the word general government. General government was an area in the Poland where undesirable German people and Polish Jews, Gypsies, etc. were kept there. Steps to death. These steps were taken by the Nazi government to take the death of Polish, Jews, and other undesirable German peoples. First stage exclusion and time period was 1933 to 1939. Second stage called ghettoization and time period was 1940 to 1944. And stage third called annihilation and it was started 1941 onwards. Stage first. Children, remember stage first word used as exclusion and time period was 1933 to 1939. You have no right to live among us as citizens. Here the word you refers for other than pure German people such as Jews, Polish, and other undesirable people of Germans. And during this period, a law was passed. The law name was the Nuremberg Laws of Citizenship of September 1935. And these were the major points of this Citizenship Act. Only persons of German or related blood would henceforth be German citizens and enjoying the protection of the German Empire. Marriages between Jews and Germans were forbidden. Extramarital relation between Jews and Germans became a crime. Jews were forbidden to fly the national flag. Some other legal measures were taken against the Jews, such as boycott of Jewish businesses, exclusion from government services, and forced selling and confiscation of their properties. Besides, Jewish properties were vandalized and looted, houses attacked, synagogue burnt. Understand what is the meaning of synagogue? Synagogue was the prayer place of Jews, and these synagogues were burnt and men arrested in a pogrom in November 1938. And this event known as the Night of Broken Glass. Student remembers this event. This question may be asked in your examination, such as what is the Night of Broken Glass? Second stage renamed as ghettoization. Ghettoization and time period was 1940 to 1944. You have no right to live among us. From September 1941, all Jews had to wear a yellow star of David on their breasts. This identity mark was stamped on their passport, all legal documents, and houses. They were kept in Jewish houses in Germany and the ghettos like Lodz and Warsaw in the east. These become sites of extreme misery and poverty. Jews had to surrender all their wealth before they entered to ghettos. Soon the ghettos were brimming with hunger, starvation, and disease due to deprivation and poor hygiene. Third stage was renamed as annihilation, and it was started after the 1941, and the sentence used for this term was you have no right to live. The U word used for Jews and other undesirable German peoples. Jews from Jewish houses, concentration camps, and ghettos from different parts of Europe were brought to death factories by goods trains. And this was the major event during this stage 3. In Poland and elsewhere in the East, most notably Blazek, Auschwitz, Sobibor, Treblinka, Klemino, and Mazdansk, they were cheered in gas chambers. Mass killing took place within minutes with scientific precision. German schools. Hitler loved German children. Good German children subjected to Nazi schooling, school textbooks rewritten, introduction of social science started. Hitler was to be worshipped, justifies Nazi ideas of race, popularization of stereotypes about Jungwalk. Jungwalk was a group of German children, a Nazi organization for children below 14 years. All 10 years old German children were forced to join it. Children, this question may be asked in your examination. What is Jungwalk? So remember it positively. Hitler Youth. Hitler Youth also an organization in 1922. Youth League of Nazis founded, and 1926 this youth league was renamed Hitler youth involves of all 14 years old boys learn to worship or glorify aggression and violence, condemns democracy, hated Jews and other undesirable people. Joined labor service at 18 years as later served in armed forces and one of the Nazi organization. Gender differences. Boys thought to be aggressive, masculine, and also still hatred, told that women basically different from men, girls instructed to become good mother, to rear pure-blooded Nordic, German, Aryan children. Nazi cult of motherhood. Mothers were treated differently. Girls had to maintain the purity of their race, distance themselves from the Jews. Those bearing racially undesirable children like Jews, Poles, Russians, Gypsies, etc. were severely punished. And punishment were given such women or girls such as paraded through the town with shaved head, blackened faces, placards hanging around their necks announcing, I have soiled the honor of the nation. Many received jail sentences, lost Swiss honor, and as well as their husbands and families for this criminal offense. Women also got awarded during the Nazism. Those producing desirable children, blue-eyed Nordic German Aryans were awarded. So children learn here desirable children who were desirable children, blue-eyed Nordic German Aryans. They were given favored treatment in hospitals. They were also entitled to concessions in shops and on the theatres, tickets and railway fares. To encourage women to produce many desirable children, crosses were awarded. For example, a bronze cross were given those who birth four children, and silver cross who birth six children, and gold cross were given the women who birth eight or more children. The art of propaganda. This was the most powerful weapon of the Hitler's Nazi government. So let's understand the propaganda. Propaganda is a mode of communication that is used to manipulate or influence the opinion of groups to support a cause or belief. The Nazi Party used speeches, posters, and films during World War II to gain support. So, under this title, we discuss the following points: Nazi and media, the common man, and the Holocaust. So let's understand the Nazi and media. Ideas spread through visual images, films, radios, posters, catchy slogans, and leaflets. Group identifies as enemies of Germans, stereotyped in posters, mocked, abused, and described as evil. Socialists and liberals were represented as weak and degenerate, attacked as malicious foreign agents. Films were made to create hatred Jews. For example, The Eternal Jew was a film made for propaganda purpose. Leni Riefenstahl, famous propaganda filmmaker, Jews referred as rats and pets in films by Nazis. The common man. Nazi propaganda made Germans see the war through Nazi eyes. German development hatred and anger towards anyone who looked like a Jew. They believed Nazism would bring properly and improve general well-being of common men. Holocaust. What mean by Holocaust? Nazi killing operations called Holocaust. Jews wanted the world to remember the atrocities and suffering they endured. Many ghettos and camp inhabitants wrote diaries, kept notebooks, and created archives. Student, what is the meaning of ghetto? A part of city, especially a slum area occupied by a minority group or groups. And here the word ghettos refers to the colonies of Jews. This was the indomitable spirit to bear witness and preserve the documents. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be useful for you.